Marianne Eaves here from Sweetens, Cove. Excited to share the latest product in our family of fine bourbons. Introducing Sweetens Cove Kennessee with a K, the inspired union of Kentucky and Tennessee bourbons that were hand curated into one single expression. Working barrel by barrel, I added a hint of toasted sugar maple wood to elevate the blend just right at 110.7 proof. Each of these liquids reflect the enduring and exceptional personality of their own region, uniquely partnered together for this release. There has always been a fierce rivalry between Kentucky and Tennessee and their whiskey worlds. I know it firsthand, working and living in both great places with special people and brands. But rather than choosing who is better or best, why not share their kindred spirit together in one bottle? At Sweetens Cove, Kennessee is our third release and continues our commitment to premium artisan spirits, priced accessibly, still relatively limited in production. It is ideal for happy hour, barbecues, tailgates, or your favorite mixologist. With Kennessee, I found an aroma that suggests warm, toasted oak, graham cracker, rich mulled spices, and orange peel. The palate is complex and decadent. Sweet, warm caramel, vanilla and baking spices, a hint of citrus and gentle oak with an easy, creamy mid-palate. Long, lingering, warm and sweet, soft and woodsy complete the finish. We hope you enjoy Sweetens Cove Kennessee bourbon wherever you are and however you imbibe. Delicious harmony, rivals no more. Which begs the question, did we just become best friends? Cheers to you, and a heartfelt and humble thanks for your support.